Driving through the New York rain, roll down my window and let the rain in. You call me by my name, too late to turn home. We chase the night away. Come on, come on, come on, come away. Let's dance to whatever, something to remember. Come on, come on, come on, come away. Make me umbrella.
Welcome to a beautiful day here in Coron.
If you don't know us, we are Zoe and Zar, and we are here traveling in the Philippines.
So today we are embarking on our first island tour here in Coron. We are doing the highlights today, which is the lagoons and lakes, and of course we are doing it with our favorite Palawan tour company, Ape Tours. We've done 2 tours with them in El Nido and we love them so much. When we heard they were coming to Coron, we just had to book with them. So we are on a private tour today with my parents, and let's see what they think about Coron because it's stunning. I'm so excited. Let's go!
My actions will be forgiven. When we first met,
I guess the first stop of our destination is CYC Beach, which stands for Coron Youth Club. It's actually going to take us about 30 to 40 minutes to get there. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! So we have arrived here at CYC Beach. Unfortunately it's low tide, so we can't go at the shore. So we've stopped here in the middle and we've swim there. So we're gonna switch to the GoPro now. Alright, so we're about to go down. It's so blue, however, it's super windy and cloudy. So to check. Oh, it's not that cold. It's not that cold, you know. No. Oh, that is deep. Alright, let's go. Let's go swimming. There's langoy. Guys, the water is so blue and super clear. That's why I love Coron. Because the water here is just completely on another level. Zoe's parents already went in the shore, but this place is actually quite nice. Looking at the drone footage, it's literally an island in the middle, a tiny island with loads of trees in the middle. It's like Goyam Island, I'd say. Yeah, or Mantigi Island.
It's just crystal blue,
Yeah.
crystal clear water though. Look at that. So
Wow.
nice. And we've never been here before when we came to Coron last time on an expedition, so it's cool to see something new, and it's a pretty nice spot to be fair. It's a little bit cloudy today, so hopefully the sun will come out a bit more later. But yeah, the water's still super blue, super clean. Love it.
And also the sand is super soft. Not that much coral, so it's good to walk around. Alright, so we made it at CYC Beach and we're surrounded by little nature. There's so many trees and then
It's clean too.
it's super clean, yeah. And the thing is, we're not sure if we can go around the island. I think we're only on this area here. So yeah, unfortunately it is quite windy, but that can't stop us having fun. So we are actually doing a private tour with Ape Tours. You can actually join the tours, which we did in El Nido, and we met so many people. But I think we decided to do a private tour just so that we were in charge of the time with Zoe's parents, and we get to choose vegetarian options as well for the food. That was so nice, so
Yeah.
refreshing.
It looks so good, like just looking at all the other islands around, like the scenery of it all. Looks so good.
With the blue water as well.
And ganda. Anyway, next stop is the Coral Garden. So we're going to do some snorkeling. So we'll probably see you there. It takes another 30 minutes and I'm excited. Let's go.
Alright, so we have arrived at Atwayan Coral Gardens, and it's actually quite big. So you start from this side and then you go around the rock, and then we'll be going to the shore, and that's where we're going to have our lunch. There's also a chance to see a sea turtle here, and apparently there's loads of amazing colourful fish and corals. So I can't wait! Guys, that was amazing. There's so many different colors, corals. That was like a tongue twister, that one. But there was like blue, there was pink, there was white, everything. And there's so many fishes as well.
Yes guys, if you like snorkeling, scuba diving, Coron is definitely the place to do it, and Ape Tours take you to some really good spots. So yeah, we thoroughly enjoyed that. Yeah, no one else is here, it's just us, so that's really, really nice. You alive, Mum? We didn't see a turtle, but the coral was so nice. There's every colour you could think of down there. So, and the sun is starting to come out a bit more, which is good. I think next is lunch, diba?
Yes, next is lunch.
Okay, so gutom na ako. So it's perfect kasi next is lunch. Kain na.
Ah, thank you. Yep, you right? Yeah.
How was that?
Pretty good, thank you.
Lots of colours, hey?
Oh, lots of colours, yes, all colours of the rainbow. I couldn't go too deep though, the mask started to leak.
Yeah.
But it was good. I saw something sort of long and black. I don't want to say it was an eel.
Oh, the old codgers come
But there was hiding underneath, kept swimming out. It was like a big long shadow and then suddenly it disappeared.
It might have been a sea snake.
Might have been. I couldn't get close enough. If I had some fins on, I'd have had a closer look and looked underneath.
Are you alive?
Oh, no, that was brilliant, wasn't it? Oh. Although apparently I was drifting, I had to be brought back.
So we've docked at this beautiful island called Atwayan Island, and it looks like paradise. Honestly, the water is so nice. At the moment there's not many people here, so we're gonna have a lunch spot undisturbed, and I'm getting super hungry, so get in there.
So we have been served an absolute feast. This whole thing is probably good for 10, 12 people. But there's only 4 of us, so hopefully we'll be finished it. I don't have an empty stomach. But we've got grilled liempo, garlic shrimp, got a salad, and of course the main bit, rice, garlic crab, dalong, and tuna, grilled tuna.
And fruit.
And fruits. With amazing Ape Tours. Love that. But anyway, kain na. The food was amazing, especially the presentation as well was spot on.
It was so pretty, I didn't want to touch it,
Yeah.
but oh, it's so good.
The tuna was so nice. I think that was my favourite bit.
That was my favourite too, honestly. The fresh tuna here is just so good, and that was a special request of ours, so I'm
'cause,
glad that they provided.
Yeah, because Zoe's parents are vegetarian, but they can eat fish.
So that means pescatarian,
Yeah,
right?
pescatarian.
But they just say they're vegetarian, but they're pescatarian.
But anyway, we're probably going to head out now. We're going to go to Twin Lagoon, which is going to take us about 10 minutes. We were actually there yesterday, so
It'll be good to see the difference.
yeah,
between...
let's actually compare what it looks like when it's busy time and going early in the morning.
So now I think the rest of the tour is pretty much the main highlights of Coron. So we've got Twin Lagoon, Kagayan Lake, and Barracuda Lake. So I'm
yeah.
excited, let's go!
Let's go!
Alright guys, so we've made it to Twin Lagoon. How does it look on the
It
drone,
looks
Zah?
amazing. Oh my
Zah was
God.
like he was contemplating putting the drone through the gap in the limestone. I told him absolutely not, that's not a good idea.
It would have been a good shot for you
It
guys.
would have been a good shot, but also I don't think we would have got the shot because it would have ended up in the water. Speaking of that, I dropped one of our lenses in the water like 10 minutes ago, so that's not great. Luckily it wasn't the main lens, but still a bit of an inconvenience. But oh well, we're still going to enjoy our time here. It's mostly relaxing here, but it does look amazing from above, and these lagoons are just crystal clear.
And we were literally here yesterday morning.
Yeah, But it's nice to see it again. Like this time will be like super relaxing and
We get more time. Unlike yesterday, we were rushing because of the breakfast.
yeah, so we get to do this at our own pace and just enjoy the beauty and swim a bit more, because yesterday we didn't really like swim properly into the lagoon. So this is the first lagoon that we're in right now, and then just over the steps, or you can go under if it's low tide, is another lagoon, the second one. So tara na, let's langoy. The water here, guys, we're inside the lagoon now. It goes between hot and cold, and the reason that is because 80% of it is salt water and 30% of it is fresh water. So that's why you feel like hot and cold patches. And yeah, we're inside now, and look at the rock formations. Woo. Looks insane. You do have to take a life jacket with you, that's mandatory. I think you can take it off as long as it's still with you. So, yeah. Is there anything good under there, Bob? Oh. What did you see?
Just a very deep ocean.
Oh.
No, I did see loads of fishes like where we docked.
This life jacket is like taking over me. Look how much. It's like being on a roller coaster.
The water here is actually 80% salt and 20% fresh water. And if you are underneath the water, it's actually quite warm, but if you're a bit higher up, that's where it starts getting a bit cold. But anyway, we're gonna head down to Barracuda Lakes now, and I think it's gonna take us about 5 minutes to get there. That's what the guide told us. So yeah, let's go. We had a great time here at the Twin Lagoon, and there's actually not much people. It's actually getting a bit chilly right now, so we just mixed some tanduay and coke just to warm myself up a little bit.
And their time, first time trying Filipino rum. How is it?
Like warming the cockles.
Really good.
Ah, refreshing.
We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time.
Alright guys, we have arrived here at Barracuda Lake. I can't remember coming here. We did this tour with Big Green Boatman.
It's different, like I don't recognise anything, so I think this might be our first time. It's basically just like a massive lake just surrounded by limestone, and it's really tall as well.
Yeah.
You feel quite small compared to the rocks, but it just looks insane, the formations. And apparently once you put your snorkel on, you can really see it underwater, so that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to switch to the GoPro.
Barracuda Lake was amazing. There's actually so many divers there. There's a spot where you can go free diving, but only if you've got a license. But if you don't have a license, then you won't be able to free dive. But it's still amazing. Like underwater, you actually see the limestones just stacking up and everything. Yeah, so we're on our way to Kagayan Lake. I think that's going to be our last destination, and after that, we're going to head back.
That's right, guys, we have left the best destination till last. This was our favourite one when we last came to Coron a few years ago, so I'm excited to see it again, see if it looks the same or any different, and for my parents to see it for the first time. It is starting to get a bit windy now. I think a storm might be on the way because it's getting quite cold. Malamig. So on the way to Kagayan Lake, we are going to have some merienda. We are going to be having some pancit, and I'm excited for that because it's one of my favourite Filipino snacks / dishes. So let's eat again. Lots of food on Ape Tours, food and drink galore. You won't go hungry and you won't go thirsty.
After all that swimming and what we ate earlier, we kind of burnt it all, so let's have some more food.
Okay guys, so we have made it to Kagayan Lake, which is one of mine and Zara's favourite from the last tour that we did 3 years ago. We're now going on the steps up. In total it's like 350 something steps going up and then back down to the lake. There's a viewpoint halfway which looks amazing, so Can't wait to show you that. But I'm gonna put you down and concentrate on going up these steps. Because we're gonna get pagodna.
Alright, we're halfway and look at this viewpoint. Wow.
Guys, just look at the view behind us. Honestly, it's one of the best views in the Philippines for sure. We've been to a lot of islands and this one still stuns me. It's so nice. Look! You've got all the different colours. You've got like really light green over there. You've got an emerald colour there. Some really light blues. And then you've got the contrasting green trees with the grey limestone rocks. Just looks so nice. Alright, so we're moving on to the main lake, which is also absolutely stunning. I can already see it looks amazing, and we're not even there yet. We've got 200 steps down to reach the lake. So let's get moving. So we are now at the Kagayan Lake and I'm about to jump in. Zar's already in. He says it's nice, it's really refreshing.
The water is so nice here. It's not even salty whatsoever. However, there is quite a lot of people here. There's so many orange jackets around, but the water is amazing. Oh, it is actually quite deep, but not as deep as Barracuda apparently. But again, we're surrounded by amazing limestones. The rock formation is amazing. What do you think of the water, babe?
I love it. This is one of my favourite spots in Coron. We've done a lot of lakes today, but this is my favourite. It's just so calm, peaceful, and the water's just like such a nice colour. Yeah, and there's such a good view. But it is pretty busy, although the big group seems to be leaving now. So life vest are mandatory, by the way. So,
but I think you can take it off.
yeah, you don't have to wear it. You just have to have it with you. So, yeah. But it's been a really good day. I wish we could explore more of Coron. I love Coron.
We wish we could go to Black Island because that's literally our favourite place here in Coron, but it's just too far and it's too expensive. For a private tour that we actually got a quote on the first day we got here, it was 3,000 pesos per person.
535. 3,500.
3,500 just to go to Black Island each on a private tour. It's crazy. But anyway, we're just gonna enjoy this amazing lake, beautiful view, turquoise water, and yeah. Oh, loving life right now.
Guys, we literally got the whole place to ourselves now. There's literally no one here, they're just leaving. And look how nice it is now without them orange jackets. Just seems so calm as well. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, that was amazing.
So we are back, guys. We've just finished our tour. Ape Tours once again didn't disappoint. We had a great time and we will definitely be doing tours with them again in the future because we love it so much. They really have a personal touch and they make you feel so welcome and they make sure you have a great time.
And what was your favourite bit of the tour?
Probably the Kagayan Lake.
Kagayan Lake?
I like that one a lot. What about you?
It's quite hard. Maybe the Barracuda Lake, I think.
You
this
like
time,
the Barracuda? Because I don't think we did that before.
No,
so.
because we haven't done that. I can't remember unless maybe there was at one point where I was just droning and I just ran out of time because we were only there for 30 minutes
I think
last time.
I think my mum's favourite bit was the snorkeling because she said that's the first time she's ever done that and seen that, so that's really cool that she got to tick that off her list. But yeah, we're going to end the video here, so
make sure to like,
share,
subscribe,
leave a comment down below,
press that notification bell on.
We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Bye.
Salamat.
Bye.